that's when Minister be follow me, innit?
No. Put that back. We just stop, send the plastic wrap, go. You see what chaman. Now send the plastic wrap, go Jamaica. Oh my God. I don't know, my dear. Yes! Jesus Christ!
Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be say, why make you clean so? Y'all be say, why make you clean so? I grade smoke that flow through the window. Me a overdo it. Woman a fit, love me style, let me smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, me squeeze your breast, them what a jive. Me don't love man, so don't love me. Me get y'all easy like don't me. Me want every y'all out halfway tree. Me a overdo it. Unruly dash, spaceship if I find them can't see me. Inna the front, man a squeeze up them girlfriend tea. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky vodka, we no use.
Hey, me Jules. It is actually morning time, and tell you, it's your England dark and thing. Yeah, man. And after 7 in the morning, it's not really that early, but you understand. The pan of movement still. I try to catch the bus. Oh, can you help me? I breathe. Father God. No, sir. Me catching it later, yeah? Alright, but no. Try to catch this bus here. Alright. Oh God. When you're up in the butchers, or your friend them wanted to cook for them the next year. Thank you. Bye bye. Mr. Meat. I don't know why, but you never buy meat, you know, so you feel heavy. Let me not even try and dash to die on the road. I want to cross here, but the way this road is set up right about now, my face look fat today. Wagwan! I don't know why whenever you buy meat, the meat just feels so heavy. Just feel heavy. I think I go mad. After God. I don't know, my dear. Woo! Yes! Jesus Christ! Pour me down. Guys. Just have to do like a running. So, tomorrow, no, come see how heavy the. See, I'm not gonna lie now, the bag them heavy. I wait for a bus right now, but at the same time, if I walk up the road and take one bus straight home, if I wait here, I'll be taking 2 buses, but the bag them heavy. Well, I'm gonna pre the meds. I'm gonna meds up some things right now. So, I'm gonna decide to walk. But if you just live in North London, you don't know about West Green Road, yeah? So obviously I decided to walk now to the bus that will take me straight home on the one bus, because this interchanging crap, I'm not in it. But yes, people probably look at me and say, oh no, so what do I? Anyways, dog. Anyways, me Jules, long time I haven't spoken to y'all. He hard feels like I'm not carry a bag. God know me hand tired. Later, yeah. So I have been, assigned to do cooking tomorrow for the squaddy. So yes, I'm gonna go cook. That's tomorrow, and tomorrow is Friday. So what I'm gonna do now, got all the ingredients. I'm gonna go home and season the meat, because you have to season the meat, yeah, so it can marinate overnight and all them things there. You see how dark I left my house this morning, and I'm coming back home in the darkness, because you know why England just damn dark. I've had a very long day today, and for some reason I think I've actually left my keys inside my house. It don't normally take me this long to find them. I'm here just buzzing the buzzer because I've actually forgotten my key inside my house. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Buzz again. No. It's not open. It's not opening. Mom. This front door is jarring, like I can't be out here pulling it like I'm some burglar. It's not even opening. But I know them bad flavors. Yes. Hello? Oh. Mom! My queen coming, look. My queen. My queen. My queen. My queen. Hey boo. Hey babes. Hey darling. Why are you walking like that? I'm so hungry. Jesus.
Try your best.
Huh?
Try your best.
You could have helped me with one of the bags, you know. Msjulzb, you see the behaviour of certain people. We finally reached home. Yes, I'm gonna start. Oh God. Switch on the light then. Hey, me sexy Jules. I have not vlogged in a couple days. I have missed speaking to. Don't watch me clothes. Don't watch me clothes on the air. Yes, it. Don't watch my clothes, card. Then I'm yard. I'm call yard clothes inside out because if you just put yard inside out and me can't bother to change it. They on one little diet right now, so I'm gonna probably see me yes, Msjulzb, what's good in the turn it that way. As you know, my girls are coming around tomorrow, and it's a thing where like I make mutton curry goats for them. I love them, but baby mother wants it, so we can do. Preparation is key, guys. You just fling this panny, so you can't just always wipe your hand. Them women gonna kill me. Mother gonna kill me. I fear people. Yeah, good up, clean up. Tell me I use from the kitchen. Me out all I don't. I say it sometimes. Alright, so you don't want to no little salt. Me look dark, no salt. What's that? Rubbing tongue down. Ah, why? No want to little seasoning to come out. You understand? Little bit of everything on them things. They don't want to know curry powder to make it curry and you have to make it smell good enough. What's Kelly on time? Alright, but Msjulzb, how to do? A long time I not really approach, you know. I'm really, you know, a long time I not really hold a conversation. So how are you guys? How are you? What's new? What's up? Anybody getting married? Anybody pregnant? Talk to auntie. Auntie wants to know. Yeah? Talk to Auntie Julz, because Auntie Julz wants to know. Alright, I think so one skeleton good enough. These things me a throw pan, but Msjulzb, man, talk to me. Alright, by the way, welcome my new Julz to my channel. Listen, thank you so much for like everyone that has recently subscribed. A massive shout out to you. Everyone that is going to subscribe. Even bigger shout out to Ono. And everyone that's, listen, my number one subscriber, my day one supporters, you know the love is there, innit? The love is there. The love is there. and it will never stop, because obviously without you guys supporting me, it wouldn't be possible to be Msjulzb. Do you understand that? Because you lot make me want to be Msjulzb. You lot make me want to do videos. You lot do make me do, you know. I wonder why I'm vlogging now. So what? No season meat. No tasty with the no smelling come. He smell meat now. That's what me knows that meat season not good. Curry powder. Yes, it. The curry powder. Just go and dash it on it. I'm gonna cut up 2 little pieces of pepper and put in it. That's one thing I must say. Even though I like to knead my seasoning into my meat with my hands, when it comes to curry, I absolutely despise that process. For the simple fact that my nails get all dirty, my nails get all yellow, and it's just like, that's dead. It's just like raw. No, mad. But because I'm a strong believer of kneading the curry, like, you see it? The thing up like 7. You understand? The food there, right? But obviously I'm a strong believer of proper making the curry soak in the meat and thing. I forgot to do it, don't. Sasha and Sarina will not warm me. Right. Jules, when I can't smell this, smell it. Good, yeah, man. I saw it smell good. It smells good, man. I noticed though, the little dirty man just give me pure the bony part of me thing, can't give me what a bug of road and what other. Boy, either way, it's gonna get yam tomorrow, because you can't cook sweet, I'm not gonna lie. Wash my hands, man. Could you see? You know that about? You see? It just look nasty, man. When you finish mix up the thing, in the sense of like when you finish seasoning it now, for it to hold the smell and for it to really marinate and for it to really seep through the skin. And then what I also like to do is I like to get the knife and literally joke every piece of meat in the pot. So then by tomorrow, no, the seasoning is just not on the outside, it's actually within the meat, because you juked it up. I always juk up my meat then. You have to juk up the meat then. You have to juk it up. Yeah, man. You have to juk it up. If you don't juk it up, then small don't really know for you like that. Yeah? So that's all juked up. So that should be, that seasoning is well penetrated. That's it. That's my, no. The seasoning now penetrate the meat right now. Penetrate it, like it I got through the meat and I find a way through the veins and all them things, and I find it something that must not go. Yeah. So that's the end product. I just put it in the fridge. Make it go bubble. That's some bully beef in the fridge for yesterday. Alright, I'm gonna put on the pot for boil for today food now. I'm gonna learn to clean as I go. Alright. I'm gonna learn to clean as I go. So what we're gonna have? No, take that back. When you just stop, send the plastic wrap go. You see what come on. Now send the plastic wrap go Jamaica. What a wickedness. You want to kill out the people down there? You want to kill out the man? But no sir, I'm not gonna stop it. I'm not gonna stop that. That's not cute, that's not nice, that's not normal. I want to think what I do. Like, we're going to visit mommy, and so mommy I do. Come on. Let's go and spy my mother. London, you right? So I sit down like one little poor thing. Hi, mom.
Hey, here. Me want to put with the phone like a year, somebody a breathe. Jesus have mercy, I feel some person's dies in.
I like. I finished marinating I finished seasoning the mutton.
Okay, finish season for mutton. Enough mutton.
£5 worth. It's like half the pot.
Okay, that's good.
That's about a good amount, isn't it?
Where is season in the rice cooker?
Say hi to my Jules.
I'm a Julz, my new Julz, my old Julz, I'm in between Julz.
She's not dressed appropriate. It's come on vlog today, unfortunately.
Yes, my Julz.
Let's put on a cap, man.
I'm doing assignments, my Julz.
Oh yeah, mummy. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you, isn't it? My mother and I go to the same university. How about that one?
I go to my university and she follow back on me.
Tell people brighter or to other. Follow back on who, mommy? Who follow back on who? Let me come and spin the camera, you know. Let me spin the camera. Wait. Let me spin the camera, you know. Oh. You did follow back on me.
Who is older? Come on, alright, but correct the face. Who is older? I want to know.
Obviously, you're older, but you follow back on me. Say it again.
So that's when minister be follow me, innit?
No, when duck, I follow them chick. When the mother, I follow them chicken. Yes.
You see you. I know. So if you think you're going to when chick, I follow them mothers.
No, when duck, I follow them chick.
Is it?
Boy.
Go and breathe heavy, man.
Mix up again, me julz.
Go and breathe heavy. I don't love fast people business too much.
People all day.
I don't know if it is fast and people are a bit deep.
So we're gonna be having boiled chicken, boiled vegetables, and a bit of couscous. Well, I'll be having couscous because I like couscous. Mom's not too fond of couscous.
Hey, sorry, me picture with you.
My grandmother the Bible.
Hey, you said more about a picture. You look nice in a green dress.
When she ready for twang, you know. Yes, mom.
Oh, what your party today? I lie.
So, my Jules, finally finished cooking food for myself and mama. Healthy cooking. Now with this is couscous. Healthy substitute for rice. I got a plate of vegetables. I insert a video right down below. But yeah, me and mummy's just chilling. I will show you mummy, but mummy is a bit unkept. But we're watching some vlogs. We're catching up with some vlogs. Right now we're watching Alicia. Is it Alicia? Alicia. That's what we'll be doing for the rest of the evening. Anyways, I think I'm gonna cut my vlog right here for today. So thank you so much, Jules, for watching me and for supporting me. Because without you, I am nothing. I remember when I make it, you make it. We need to get to that 1,000 mark so I can do my lit giveaway. Yeah. Continue showing love because you know I love you all. Me and mommy love you all.
Yeah.
My old Jules, my new Jules, and my in-between Jules. We love you all. Okay? But I'm going to end it right here. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Share it. Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Just share it. Just share the video. Then share it. Okay? Catch you tomorrow. Or I'll catch you tomorrow because I'll be vlogging because I'm cooking for my peoples them tomorrow. You understand? Righteous. And then it's toodaloo. Love you, my Jules. Bye. Mom, say bye.
Bye.